Power Grid raises borrowing limit to 35,000 crore rupees for FY 2026 to 27 and proposes same for 2027 to 28. Board also appoints RM Bansal and Company and Chandra Vadhwa and Company as joint cost auditors. Full details of Power Grid board meeting held on 22nd July 2026. DRDO signs partnership with AI Engineering Services Limited and Adani Defence Systems and Technologies Limited for development and production of airborne early warning and control systems Mark II. Major step for Atmanirbhar Bharat in defence. State-owned logistics major company Container Corporation of India Limited enters into an MOU with IIT Roorkee to collaborate on the development of an AI-driven decision support system for smart DLP, inventory management and network optimization. Union Minister of Health and Family Welfare JP Nadda said that the government is open to discussing the NEET paper leak issue in Parliament and evolving an effective policy to ensure a permanent solution to the issue. PTC Industries Limited has secured a prestigious design and development order from ARDE, DRDO, for a titanium cradle to be used in the 105mm Indian lightweight tank. This order is a big milestone for the company as it marks PTC's first major step into designing and developing critical defense components. Southeastern Coalfields Limited has taken a significant step under its corporate social responsibility by inaugurating an apparel training and design center under Project Udaan at the new CETI building in Gewra. The Ministry of Coal and GIZ have signed an implementation agreement for an Indo-German project focused on the technical cooperation for coal mines that are set to be closed under the Green and Sustainable Development Partnership. NTPC Limited has floated a new tender for a service contract to conduct performance and efficiency testing for its 2x 800 megawatt units, unit number 1 and number 2. The scope of the project is lump sum based industrial facility management services. With a strong condemnation of the misfortunate incident that happened in NHPC's Teesta Tunnel in Sikkim, the hydropower giant NHPC Limited has mentioned in the statement that it has expressed its profound grief over the tragic loss of lives and extends its deepest condolences to the bereaved families in this hour of grief. The state-owned Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited is provisionally planning to establish another 32 gigawatts of capacity through indigenous pressurized heavy water reactors and light water reactors (LWRs), taking the country's total installed nuclear capacity to around 54 gigawatts by 2047.